for all of your real estate needs. Call Tim Crane, 731-607-0118 extension 3-bed/1 bath brick home West Carport and Shed 1230 square feet, with an open floor plan gives it plenty of room and it's conveniently located in town. It has a front porch, but the carport makes a nice big porch as well and can easily fit 2 cars. It has a central zone AC and heat unit, newer shingle roof, newer windows, laminate flooring, eat-in kitchen, laundry room, concrete driveway, tool shed, low-maintenance yard, public water and sewer, and is being offered at a great price for a fast sale. Call today,